Thank you for tuning in today, guys. Today we're going to be installing an aftermarket speaker into the back door of this Mitsubishi Endeavor. Stay tuned. Hope you enjoy. The first thing you will want to do on your door is remove the screw that holds this bezel on. Once you remove this screw, this bezel will pop out. Then you can come down underneath the handle, and there's two more screws right here you need to remove. Once you get your bolts out of this and your bezel removed, be careful. They do not hold up with the test of time pretty good, so they are kind of fragile. The plastic just decays. And remove these two bolts. You can pop this up. It's held on with clips. And unplug this. Once you get that done, you can come over here and this piece pops off just like so. Yours might not pop off as easy, but yeah. Now you want to come to the side here and pop this loose. Clips all the way around this door panel. Now once you get these popped loose, you just pick straight up on the door and boom, there's your door panel removed. Oh God, I guess I did have one speaker. Pioneer. That's how you install a speaker. Yeah, they could have at least bolted the end. But I guess they bolted one end. Triced end. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to redo this and install aftermarket speaker. Okay, we got the new Planet Audio speaker in. I drilled me a couple new holes and we used some of the self-tappers they had. But I only can get 4 in without running adapters or making a plate. But it don't vibrate. I done tried it out. Everything does pretty good. And I connected my wire down through here. As you can see, I didn't connect it, but I put some black tape around it so it don't over time wear into. And it's connected up here where they had the factory one cut at with the install. So this is pretty good for just a daily driver. If you're looking for something better, I suggest to make an adapter plate or secure the speaker in a whole lot better. But all in all, I'm happy with it. So I'm going to go ahead and put the door panel on. So that completes the aftermarket speaker install on the back door of your Mitsubishi Endeavor. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it's very helpful. Check my channel out for more videos. Be sure to show your support by hitting that subscribe button. I appreciate it if you do. And I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.